Changing your profile picture on SoundCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Log in. Open the SoundCloud website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name, usually located in the top right corner, to access your profile page. Step 3. Edit profile. On your profile page, look for an option that says Edit Profile or a pencil icon. Click on it to enter the editing mode for your profile. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the editing section, find the current profile picture. Click on it or look for an Upload or Change Picture button. Select a new image from your device that meets the required specifications. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading the new image, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to update your profile picture. Now your SoundCloud profile picture is updated. Enjoy showcasing your new image to your followers.